Becoming a master of the ways of your car's engine is no easy task. It takes time, focus, determination, and just a little bit of elbow grease. Join us as we expand your knowledge of auto service and get you closer to becoming an expert. Today, we're going to walk you through the basics of oil changes. Oil changes are essential to keep your vehicle running. It's arguably one of the most important types of fluids your engine needs. Oil keeps the essential parts of your engine lubricated and working normally. When it comes to having your oil changed, you always have options, namely regular and synthetic. Regular motor oil is less refined and needs to be replaced more often than other oil types, usually every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Synthetic oil, on the other hand, is made using a blend of motor oil and other materials to make an oil that lasts longer and is healthier for your engine. While it's more expensive, this oil can sometimes last you up to 8,000 and even 10,000 miles before your next change. When changing your oil, you should always pay attention to the condition of your oil filter. This part should be replaced every 2 years to ensure that clean oil is cycling through your engine. To check the current condition of your oil, always refer to your dipstick. After running the engine for a short time, turn it off and remove the oil dipstick. Use a clean paper towel and wipe the oil off of the stick. If the residue looks dirty or dark brown, it's probably almost time to change the oil. Knowing how to change your oil can save you time and money in the future and keep you better informed about your vehicle. Thanks for joining us at Toyota of Clermont for this episode of Becoming an Auto Service Expert. If you need help with your auto service needs, give us a call at 352-404-7001 today.